how to give access to Xero in 2025 with the step-by-step tutorial. Now, whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your accounting processes or simply want to bring a new team member on board, this guide will show you exactly how to do it effectively. Let's start by logging into your Xero account. Once you're in, head straight to the settings menu. You'll either go to settings, then users, or if your version looks a bit different, try settings, then general settings, and finally users. This is where you'll control user access. Next up, it's time to invite a new user. Here, look for either the invite a user or add a user button and give it a click. You'll then be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to provide access to. Be sure to double check the email to avoid any typos that could delay the process. Once you have the right email, input the first and last name of the new user. This is a simple yet crucial step to personalize the access and ensure everything is organized on your end. Now, it's important to assign the right role and permissions. Xero offers different roles, each catering to various business needs. For example, the standard role grants full access to invoices, bills, and reports. If your user needs to create and send invoices, the invoice-only role would be more suitable. Read-only allows the user to view reports without making any edits, while the advisor, accountant role provides full access to all accounting functions. Take a moment to consider what level of access your new user requires for their job. Additionally, you have the option to customize module-specific permissions like payroll, purchases, or bank accounts. This flexibility ensures users have just the right amount of access to data pertinent to their roles. With that sorted, let's move on to sending the invitation. Click Send Invite, and Xero will take care of the rest. The new user will receive an email invitation which includes clear instructions for setting up their Xero login. After the invitation is accepted, the final step is to confirm the access to ensure everything is set up correctly. By checking the users list, you can verify the user's assigned role and permissions. If needed, you can conduct a quick test to ensure the user has access to all necessary features to perform their tasks efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully invited a new user and assigned the correct permissions on Xero. This straightforward process not only keeps your accounting workflow smooth, but also ensures security and tailored access within your team. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.